more than just paper and envelopes. Each piece is a critical communication that helps drive the success of your business. And if one customer's document is placed into another customer's mailing, your company could be liable. That's why you need the Pitney Bowes Relay 7000 and 8000 inserting systems, which help improve the accuracy of your mailing operations without sacrificing speed. You expect today's inserters to assemble variable page documents by reading traditional OMR, 1D, and 2D scan codes. But the Relay 7000 and 8000 go further. Their advanced file-based processing checks and cross-checks every page, giving you total visibility on each mail piece and helping you prove that the right information makes it into the right envelope. It all starts with the Relay Hub, a SaaS-based software application designed to work within your existing process, adding barcodes and creating a reference file for each mailing. The Relay 7000 and 8000 inserters then use the reference file to assemble and verify every page accurately. The advanced software pairs seamlessly with a reliable hardware chassis that keeps your documents and envelopes moving quickly, finishing up to 5,400 envelopes an hour. Plus, the high-capacity sheet feeders increase productivity on demanding high-volume mailings. What's more, you can save time by processing letters and flats in the same mail run without any changeover. Protect private customer information while being more productive with the Pitney Bowes Relay 7000 and 8000 inserters. To learn more, visit us at pitneybowes.com.